Hi, today I'm for DOOGEE V Max and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first, launch Play Store and in the search pull enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why. Tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So we can see here information about battery health. In my case this is the good one. So also we got here more information like the battery level, voltage, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.